Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to split the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks on your Bell Home Hub modem. First, go to web browser and open your Bell modem admin panel. Once the login page appears, enter your username and password to access the modem settings. After logging in, look for the option called Manage My Wi-Fi and click on it. If you are using a mobile phone and cannot see all the settings, open your browser menu and enable the desktop version or desktop site option. This will display the full settings page. Now find the feature called Whole Home Wi-Fi or Band Steering. This feature combines both Wi-Fi bands into one network name. Turn this option off and then click Save. Once you disable this feature, a new button called Advanced Settings will appear near the bottom of the page. Click on Advanced Settings to continue. Inside the Advanced Settings section, look for the option that says Keep a Common Network Name and Password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Uncheck this box. Next, locate the 5 GHz network name field. Change the network name by adding something simple like -5G at the end of the current Wi-Fi name. This makes it easier to identify the 5 GHz network later. Finally, click Save or Apply to confirm the changes. Your Bell modem may restart during this process. After the restart, you will see two separate Wi-Fi networks for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Thanks for watching.